मोठो बोवाळ करून गोंयांत मायनिंग चालू उरचें म्हूण सर्वपक्षीय बसका जाली खरी, मात तातूंतल्यान कितें सादलें ताचो मात पत्तो ना. मिटींग जावन 48 वरां भितर ह्या शिष्टमंडळाची दशा आनी दिशा कितें आसतली ताचेर प्रस्न उपरासल्यात. खासा गोपांतल्यान मेळिल्ली म्हायती अशी: प्रताप सिंग राणे भलायकेच्या कारणांक लागून दिल्ली वचूंक शकना. बाबू कवळेकारूय वतलो पूण फकत गडकरीक मेळून कांय जावचें ना अशी भुमिका. काँग्रेसीन आयतारा आपयल्या विधिमंडळ पक्षाची खासा बसका. भाजपान अजून केंद्रीय खण मंत्री प्रधानमंत्र्यांची अपॉइंटमेंट कन्फर्म केल्ली ना. काँग्रेसीक बेश्टेच शिष्टमंडळा वांगडा वचून फकत नितीन गडकरीक मेळपाचें ना. सुदीन ढवळीकार, विजय सरदेसाय, निलेश काब्राल, प्रमोद सावंत वचपाचे तयारेत. दुसरे वटेन काँग्रेसींतलेच एक आमदार आलेक्स रेजिनाल्ड शिष्टमंडळाचेच विरोधात उलोवपाक लागता. ताका काँग्रेसीच्या बाकीच्या लिडरांचो मात सपोर्ट ना.
All party delegation makes no sense. You come with a proper solution. That should be the right perspective. How we protect our interests of war, how will interest protect of interest of defendants, how will protect interest of whatever to be done in the best interest of war. Because so many years out by doing this, nothing is kept for posterity out of the mining law. We'll let the government show us. So if there is no you should be able to show it in actions. If you can't show for so many years by keeping dependents again dependents, keeping them dependents only. And what is the future? What you are doing? How can we trust you? What is going to be done? Is there a clear-cut plan? What is going to be the future? How you are going to put the money? How you are going to keep it for the children? The state of Goa wants to know all this. As an elected representative, I think it's my duty to speak, and no one can stop me from speaking what is right.
So you mean to say it is a useless?
I mean to say it's against the interest of the state. It's not useless, it's against the interest of the state.
So your party members.
But there are members from your party who are on that delegation. What do you want to say on that?
I am very clear. Whoever is doing it should have interest of the state at its highest.
आलेक्स रेजिनाल्डाची भुमिका चुकीची आसा. तो मायनिंग बेल्टांतलो नाशिल्ल्यान ताका ह्या विशयाची खरसाण कळना म्हूण काँग्रेसीचो एक ज्येश्ठ फुडारी उलयलो. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.